Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this A3's WLAN Wi-Fi WLAN smart sockets with current measurement options. And these are mini sockets. That means they can stick closely together. Yeah, that's really cool. It's a pack of two here. It's also available in a 4-pack or unique, as you like. It's a home Wi-Fi socket with smart function, and it's Alexa compatible accessories. Shadow remote access. It works with Alexa, with Google Home, and SmartThings, and it works only in 2.4G Wi-Fi network. That means if you're going to pair it first time, download the Smart Life or the Smart Living app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then go to your 2.4G Wi-Fi network. Every router out there which generates a 5G Wi-Fi network can handle a 2.4G Wi-Fi network too. So take the 2.4G Wi-Fi network, enter your passcode, and then you can pair it easily. To pair it, push and hold the button on the smart plug for approximately 3 seconds, and then you can start the pairing mode easily. 10 ampere, that means you can operate or use it as a smart socket for light, for everything else, coffee machine, coffee maker, and so on. But here is an ultra mini size. This designer from the brand, from A3, designed and reduced the size to 4.4 to 4.4 centimeters. Thus, the smart sockets fit next to each other into the power strips, for example. Space optimization brings more convenience to our life. And with an energy consumption monitor. While using the smart plug, we can also calculate the power consumption and estimate our electricity bill via the Smart Life app. And we can use voice control. The Wi-Fi socket is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. We control our device with a simple voice command. For example, Alexa, turn on the light. And Alexa will get a ping to the Wi-Fi plug, and it will switch on. Really easy. That makes a not smart device smart again. And I like the app control. We control the lighting, for example, in our home remotely. And we set regular shadows for television, coffee machines, humidifier, etc. The smart home is not only fun, it is useful for everyone too. And it comes with a child lock. When this function is activated, we need to turn off the device or press the switch 4 times in a row to disable the child lock. This prevents children from accidentally turning the switch on. And we have overcharge protection. When this function is turned on and the plug detects that the power consumption of the device is less than 3 watt, it will automatically turn off to avoid overcharging. Of course, we only activate this function when we need it for the best user experience, of course. The socket does not support test motor. The built-in Realtek chip ensures better network connection stability, and the risk of walking offline is less than before. It's really cool. On the smart plug itself, we have a socket panel, an on and off button, because we can operate it by our fingers too. We have the power plug and flame-resistant material, so you can use it indoor easily. The on and off button can be used as a restore button. With long press can change the flashing speed and will restore our smart socket to factory default again. We only do this if we are sure that we want to erase all our settings from it. The model is ET20, the material is PC, The rated voltage is 230 volt. The rated current is 10 ampere maximum. The maximum power is 2300 watt. The AC frequency is 50 or 60 Hz. The Wi-Fi frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. Working temperature from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 50. And the supported system are Android and iOS. We make sure we have connected the plug with the Smart Life app first. Then we check on the plug page that we support a third-party controller settings in the upper right corner. We can perform this. Then we can sign in with Amazon, for example, or link to the Google Assistant directly. And then we can pay it. First step is we have to pay it with our app, of course, and then we can control this or give the control to Amazon for Alexa, for example. And then we can go and have fun with it. We can use it easily. To connect to our app, it's really easy. We plug in and hold the power button for over 5 seconds. Then the next thing is we are going through the setup process of the app, and then we can use it. It's really easy. Then we run the Smart Life app, and of course we can use the Smart Life app to control these smart plugs here from remote. If we're not on stage, we are not in the Wi-Fi network, it's no problem. We can control it via the internet. And this is smart, really smart, I like it. So if you are on vacation and you forgot to switch off your light or your coffee machine, no problem. Take your smartphone, go to the app, and then switch it off. Easy peasy. Or to prevent if you're not at home, but you will show everyone you are at home, no problem. You can control it via the app, or you make an timer function to switch on and switch off your lightning, for example, or other things. And it works really cool because this is the A3's WLAN smart socket. It's a smart plug here, which is compatible with Google Assistant, and it works with Amazon Alexa. And of course, it works really cool with the Smart Life app. And you can use it with your fingers by the buttons. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.